Your car's air conditioner is lying to you. It doesn't actually create cold air. So how does it make your car feel cool, even in extreme heat? The truth is, it's not producing cold. It's removing heat from inside your car and pushing it outside. Let's break it down in a simple way. At the center of the system is the compressor. Think of it as the engine of the AC. It takes in low-pressure, cool refrigerant gas and compresses it into a high-pressure, high-temperature gas. This hot gas then flows into the condenser. Here, outside air passes over the condenser coils, removing heat from the refrigerant and turning it into a high-pressure liquid. Next, the liquid refrigerant moves through the receiver dryer, where moisture and impurities are removed to keep the system clean and efficient. In some systems, this is replaced by an accumulator, but the purpose remains the same. After that, the refrigerant reaches the expansion valve. This is where the real cooling begins. As the refrigerant passes through this valve, its pressure drops suddenly, and it becomes a cold, low-pressure liquid. This cold liquid then enters the evaporator. Inside the evaporator, it absorbs heat from the air inside your car and turns back into a gas. As heat is removed, the air becomes cooler, and a blower fan pushes this cool air into the cabin. That's the air you feel through the vents. Meanwhile, the refrigerant, now a low-pressure gas, returns to the compressor, and the cycle repeats again and again. Modern systems also use something called a TXV, or thermal expansion valve. It controls how much refrigerant enters the evaporator, making the system more efficient. But here's where people get confused. When recharging an AC system, many rely only on the low-pressure gauge. However, the TXV limits that pressure. So even when the system is full, the reading may not increase. This leads to overcharging, which actually builds up pressure on the high side and can cause serious damage like compressor failure, poor cooling, and costly repairs. So the next time you recharge your car's AC, remember that relying on just one gauge can be misleading, and understanding this simple cycle can save you money and keep your system running properly. And now you know your AC isn't creating cold air. It's quietly removing heat, keeping you cool every time you drive.